Hello, everybody. This is Haley Race that make Hitler your HM, and your friend or your classmate HM. They just know HM and my classmate. They never call me Haley Race. Now we're going to solve a different equation. This simple is the same thing what we did before this, but in this they only tell us to stand there and position which the function line is, or which line the angle, or like which quadrant the line will cross to. It's like bottom to top or top to bottom. So which area is. So let's go study, and I will show you the mean, not the meaning. Sorry guys, I have like bad day today, but I hope I'm doing fine. So the form or the direction I will writing down in next page, and then we going to solve it. So next, let's start in next term. There we go. Now here they tell us, they say skite, I mean kite, no, catch each angle, and don't forget for n. If you mess it up, or everything's kind of bullshit, or everything going, you don't like remember what it is. But if in math, the first thing you have to know, read the direction first, then like solving or the equation they give you after, no problem. But first you understand the direction and standard. This is in standard angle or position. Maybe I will say this position because we already do radian and degrees already. So this must be position. Don't forget, this is position. Where is the line cross to the quadrant? So here, position, Tion. There we go, position. Now you see this, they say sketch each angle and standard form position. So now let's do this. So the equation, this is the direction, but the equation or the problem you have to solve, it is the same thing, pi over 6. We know that pi over 6, I talk on the another video. So let me go to my page one. There we go, right here, pi over 6 right here. So we have to know is negative or positive, because I already told you about negative. This direction is positive, this direction is negative. So I already talked this in last video. In this video, something different, but it's still the same. So this is question A. This is question A. I will do you question A, question B. This is question A. Now let's ask graph. So this is my graph line. This is my graph line, right? No. Okay. Sorry guys. Okay. Now let's do this. We know that our function, this is in radian. If this in degrees, must be 30 degrees. So this here, right here, is my 30 degrees. It's now it's like that, maybe 45 degrees over there, but right here is my 30 degrees. Now yes, right there, this is my 30 degrees. This is my 30 degrees, or pi over 6. Sorry guys, this is a 6. This is a 6. So remember, if this go down, this flash or this flash, this is positive side, this is negative side. We know that our equation in positive side, so we have to use different color to make sure. So this is your angle. Start here. First start 0 to here. So this is your angle. If you want to do some narrow line to show up there, so it's this line. So this is your answer. Only this thing they want in position. So you see the red thing is where is this lines locate and where is the position. This is called, you have to this know that positive or negative is like up, positive, down, negative. So sometimes kind of complicated, but you'll be fine, I promise. Okay, now let's do part B. Let's see part B. So on part B, we little bit do like some math problem to solve that. On part B, they tell us, okay, yeah. On part B, it says the same question, same direction, but different question or different equation. This is called equation. So the equation for this negative 5 pi over 6. Yeah, over 6. So first, do your same thing I tell you in the last pass. My second note I do right here. Pi. No. Might not kind of be not pi, but we time 180. 180 degrees over. 180 degrees over. Make sure this, don't worry about it. We do all this before. Sorry guys, I have bad time now. Okay, don't worry about this. Don't worry about the negative, but let's do all this formula together. Now is my pi. You know what thing I have to cross first? Every my friend student tell me x, so no problem. 5 times 180. 5 times 0 is 0. 5 times 8, let me see, 25, 40, 25, 30, 35. I believe that maybe no. 5 times 8. 5 times 8. Make sure that, yeah, I think it's 40. Yes, it is 40. So put your 4. Put your 0 here. Put your 4 on the top. So 5 times 1. 5 times 1. 5 times 1 is 5. 5 plus 5 plus 4, it is 9. So this is your equation for the top, and then divide by 6. So make sure that divide by 6. So that for the true, I don't know how to solve this on my brain. I can use my calculator. So click there. 900 divide, not power 900 divide by 3. No, it's about to be 6. Yeah, by 6, 150. So our answer, what is it again? Guys, I have really bad day today, but I hope I can do that my best. Okay, cancel this. Is 900 divided by 6 is equals to 150. 150 degrees. Don't forget, put this degrees. So it's 150 degrees. Don't say 150 degrees, but it's negative 150 degrees. So because this negative, you don't leave him. So our answer must be 5 pi over 6, negative 5 pi over 6, or 150 degrees. Now let me graph. this is my graph line. This is my graph line. Then this formula we use red one. So 90, this 180 minus 40 here to here is minus 40. So I think that's somewhere here. Yeah, so this is for example, this is my 90. Yeah, I believe that is somewhere there. Did I am right? This is 90, this 100, 20, 50, I mean 20, 30. Yeah, 50 is somewhere here. There you go. If it's negative side, do this equation. Today your professor understood what you did. There. So you're fine. So this is your angle. Don't care about something blah blah blah. Exactly, to tell you the position. So the position, this is your graph. If your professor one, they will show you the graph in your computer or in your, you can graph by yourself and you solve it. I'm not calculating. I'm not like you need circle calculate correctly, but I'm sure is that is the negative 140. If you don't believe me, let me go to my side. Okay, let me go to Google. Okay, click my Chrome. Okay, so let's click here. Unit circle. Unit circle. Unit cycle. Okay, there you go. If you click unit circle, they show you multiple things, but you don't show this. Okay, there we go, right here. So you see that our 150 is right here. So this is like 90 is right here, negative 90 is right here. I think that I believe that I have this in my camera, but I'm not sure where to put. Guys, please excuse me for that. I'm still trying to look up. Uh-oh. Okay, let me try and do that in different way, so that's gonna work for me or not. I think yeah, yes, choose marker. So we know that it is stored here. So this is like 30 here, negative 30, negative 60. This is 90, negative 90, negative 105 here, and then this is negative 120. Yes, and then the last here is our negative 150. So it's somewhere here and then here. So fine. If you believe me, correct. If you don't believe me, do your correct math to make sure this is correct. So thank you guys. I really appreciate you guys watching my YouTube, and don't forget to subscribe on my channel below, guys. This is HM. Your friend or your brother. If you want to join me on Facebook, just click HILURISTEM. No, just click HILURISTE and then space MEKILA. Thank you and see you in next video.